crying over spilt milk at this stage as far as the Rugby World Cup is, because really, quite frankly, they made bags of it. You know, let's be call a spade a spade. Like they hadn't.
What would you know, Terry? That's a ridiculous comment. No, I want to retract that.
The ability to negotiate. The Taoiseach wasn't able to negotiate.
And what did you contribute
Minister
to?
Ross was more concerned about North Korea. I don't think they'd have voted.
As a point of order, Senator Leyden comes into this House and gives out about women playing rugby, and he gets up here and tries to change on the sport and the efforts of both governments and all political parties. If you knew something about the subject later, you can contribute, but you don't know anything about it. Stick to what you know.
Senator Richmond, that's not a point of order, and you may not like or agree with what Senator Leyden, but
at least use facts,
the leader can respond.
I'll tell you one thing, when we were in power, we could negotiate for world events.
And bailouts, you could negotiate them. That went real well too, Senator Leyden. Stick to what you know.
We wouldn't lose this. I wouldn't lose Scottish connections. I wouldn't lose the Scottish vote, or I wouldn't lose the Welsh vote. I mean, where were they going? I mean, what kind of amateurs do you send out anymore? Sure, they wouldn't negotiate. They wouldn't negotiate a piss up in a brewery, for God's sakes. Give me a
Send
break.
out a letter to the RFU. That's great support for rugby. You want to ban women playing rugby. You want to give out about union. What else do you want to do?
I'm not concerned with politics as long as it's held in Ireland. That's what I'm concerned with. Whether it's rugby, whether it's soccer, whether it's football, whether it's whatever it is. As long as it's held in Ireland, I'm happy.
Senator Leyden, you're using an appropriate adjective there, which is not appropriate to the.
Well, I'll withdraw that, so I think. But it does very well explain their inability to win friends and influence people. That's basically it.